I request the creators of, well, no, blah, blah, blah. I request Dave Microwave Games to make a horror game of this. Let me read this to you. I'll let you read this. Pause and read this if you need to. I'll show you what character we are going. This is the character you play as. This is the character she is going with. Here's some other characters. They're about to enter an abandoned... Hold on. They're about to enter an abandoned hospital. All of them have flashlights. They're even recording. So, I'm requesting Dave Microwave Games to make a horror game of this about them going into the abandoned hospital. Goodbye.